Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cut a wooden plank using an angle grinder. So before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, the very first thing you need to have is to have proper protection. It's highly recommended that you have gloves, and especially I would recommend like you should have eye coverage, because when you use such tools, it generates a lot of small particles. You never want, even in your wildest dream, that it gets into your eyes. And you should have a clamp where you can hold the plank steady, because the steadier it is, the better grip you will have on it. Because if you don't have a proper clamp on it, and if it shakes or moves, that's gonna affect the movement. Okay, impact could be huge, so I don't want that to happen. This is my garage, not my workshop, that's why I'm not using a clamp, but I'll try to be steady as much as I can. Okay guys, so let's proceed. Okay, so my grinder is ready. Now you need to put out a suitable blade, okay, and then have it ready. And it's good to have marking, but these are test videos, so I have not put any marking. This is why I was telling that it should be steady. As you can see, it got slightly deviated, so that's why this was not steady. It's my home, but anyway, I'm gonna proceed. Almost done. So with proper clamp and grip, it can be easily done. But yes, this was my garage configuration, so that's why it had it like this. But anyway, it can be done using this angle grinder. Let me know what you feel about it. Thank you.